This video is for those sisters who are suffering from PCOD problem, PCOS problem, who have problem in conceiving, or they have problem in their menstrual cycles. So this is going to be a 10 minutes yoga practice. Anubhaji will show you the yoga poses and I will guide you how to do the yoga poses correctly, for how long you should hold the yoga poses. So this is going to be a step-by-step practice, and this is going to be a follow along video. You should grab your mat and start practicing with us, because if you want to get good results, then watching the video is not going to help you. You will have to follow the practices what we are telling you. You will have to follow the yoga poses what we are telling you. So let's start the video. Will not take much time of yours. So whenever you start any practice, do some warm up. So start jogging on your mat, forward and backward. Everybody grab your mat and start walking like this, jogging for some time. So here we will be telling you some almost 10 minutes yoga practice, and you practice this video for almost 1 month or 2 months, and then if you comment, then we will give you another videos as well. We will be making longer videos, short videos, everything on this channel. So do not forget to subscribe us. Okay, now come to center of your mat, fit together, interlock your fingers, stretch your both hands up, abdomen in, and stretch your body up. Exhale, down, up, down, up, and hold. Stretch your calf muscles, abdomen in. Okay, so now you are practicing yoga, you must know that which body part we have to focus. Exhale, down, open your legs, shoulder width apart, interlock your fingers, stretch your both hands up, and exhale, go to your right side. Stay there for some time. Inhale up, exhale left, up, right, up, left. Inhale up, go back slowly, and exhale, forward fold. Go down as deep as you can go. Try to go as deep as you can go. Shift your weight on your toes. Okay, stay there, stay there, stay there, everyone. Inhale up and relax, twisting. So this was little warm up and stretching. Now we are ready for the yoga poses. See, if you are doing any yoga practice for any physical condition, then you must be aware of your anatomy. So now we are doing the yoga poses for PCOD, PCOS problem. This problem is related to your reproductive health. Now we need to know that where is our ovary located, where is the uterus located, and where are the fallopian tube. Okay, now we will be doing all the yoga poses that activates the blood circulation, that increase the blood circulation in your reproductive system, that improve the blood circulation in your ovary, uterus, and fallopian tube. Okay, so let's come to one corner of your mat, both hands at your heart center. Inhale, both hands up. While exhaling, take your both hands down, bend your knees, knees together, bend your knees to 90-degree angle. So now you are bending your knees to 90-degree angle, and you see that you are pressing your abdomen through your thighs. So you get very good pressure on your abdomen, on your ovary region, on your uterus region. Stay there for some time. 5, press it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take your right leg back, both legs back, knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra pose, up, exhale, down, 1, up, 2, up, 3, up and hold. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to rabbit pose. So now all the yoga poses will help you in your any problem related to reproductive health. Mostly the focus area is going to be the PCOD problem, PCOS problem, or problem in conceiving. Many sisters message us that I have this problem. What are the yoga poses? What we should do? Inhale, come up. now come to butterfly. Okay, so the first pose, face that side in butterfly. The first pose, do butterfly for at least 2 to 3 minutes, everyone. So here, because this is a 10 minutes video, so we will do it for just 1 minute. Keep doing, knees up, higher, as high as you can, and try to take as deep as you can. Open your lungs, join your shoulder blades, everybody. Keep doing, keep doing, everyone. Keep a smile on your face. Yes, keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. Yes, now you should feel the pressure. It's increasing the blood circulation here in your body, in your groin region. Stay there. Now open your legs about 2 feet distance, and now we'll do twist. So hold your right toe, keep changing, 1, like 2. So here in this pose, keep doing, everyone, keep twisting. So here in this pose, what you see that you are engaging your abdomen, this region, and this is the location of our uterus and ovary. So we are increasing the blood circulation here. So all the poses what we are doing is very helpful for your reproductive health. If you have cyst in your ovary, these yoga poses are very helpful. Keep doing. Last 10. Twist. 9. The only thing what need is daily practice of these yoga poses. Eat well. Eat healthy food. Last 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Take your both hands back. Look up. Join your shoulder blades. Open your lungs. Focus on your breath. So this is some relaxation after the pose when you feel any stretch. So this is relaxation for some time. Deeply inhale and exhale. Now the next practice we will be doing Chakki Sanchalanasana. How to do it? Take both hands forward. Interlock your fingers. Now go down from your right side and come up from your left side. Inhale up like this. Exhale forward. Keep your elbows straight. 1. Keep doing. 2. Exhale forward. Inhale backward. 3. Keep going. Keep 10 times. 4. Yes, very nice. 5. 6. 7. Perfect. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale back. Exhale forward. 1. Very nice. 2. Perfect. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay. Now take your both hands back. Join your legs together. Look up. Open your lungs. Deep inhale and exhale. Okay, now take your both legs forward. Fit together. Come to this side of your mat. Like this. Okay. Everybody. Inhale. Now lie down at your back. Now what we have to do, we'll do Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Take your right leg up. Bend your knee and hug it. Try to touch your chin to your knee. Left leg up, just 1 foot above the ground. Now exhale, change. Now, see, if you have any problem, cervical spondylitis, do not lift your head up. You can take your head down. Now keep changing. 1, 2, on every exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Open your hands, bend your knees. Take your right ankle on your left thigh and twist. Hold your right knee through your left hand, take it down to your left side. Hold there. 5, 4, deep inhale and exhale. 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Now change. Left ankle, twist to your right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Now the last pose we'll do wind releasing pose. Hug your knees. Pavan Muktasana. Try to touch your chin to your knees. Press your thighs into your abdomen. Okay, hold here and give a nice and gentle massage to your spine up down. Okay, do it. Okay, so this is one set of 10 minutes yoga for PCOD, PCOS problem. Now if you have time, repeat the whole set 2 times, or if you have time, you can repeat this set 3 times. Understand your body, understand your limit, do not overstretch, and when you do all these yoga poses, you will see within a month or so you get amazing results. Many people have got great results by following yoga poses. We have another channel on YouTube by the name of Virendra Strength Yoga, and we have posted videos on that channel as well. People got amazing results, and you will also get the good results if you follow these yoga poses every day. So how did you like the video? Please do not forget to comment below the video. Please show your love and support. Kindly subscribe to our channel, and if you want us to make any video on any topic, just make a comment below the video so that we can read those comments and we can make videos for you. So this is it for today. We'll see you in next video. Till then, thank you. Namaste.